That Murray was also instrumental in getting the HRI here, which continues to flourish today and has been a source of bringing an even wider range of scholars to campus on a regular basis for now, 20 years, more than 20. So there's a lot of things that went on that time that have remained in their contributions to the campus, but also the profession at large.
Yeah, funny thing about the Humanities Research Institute, when we were writing the grant, we got together and we came up with a number of different projects so that we could shape the first couple of years of the Institute. We were in it and we knew that others in it as a possibility, that is, who were vying for that as a grant, were Berkeley and Santa Barbara, both of whom had very good faculties. And Berkeley basically wrote a grant that said, you should give this to us. We're Berkeley, and if you don't, we'll get one of our own. And so they did get one of their own. We wrote it together, but I literally typed it up because I had one of those newfangled things, a computer. Murray did not use a computer in the middle of the 80s, so I went home and worked on putting it in form so that we could turn it in. The Humanities Research Institute is open to all of the senior universities that have humanities in the system. That is I don't know if anybody comes from San Francisco from the School of Medicine there, but why not? And what it meant was we had on our campus a place that would frequently have open to not just our faculty, but our graduates, our undergraduates, a place where they would often give public lectures, at least early in the period this was true. A place where some of the best people around, Stanley Fish, who was on campus just the other day, would say, I'd love to give a paper for your department. I wouldn't have to charge anything for it. I'm over here at the HRI. And because they were compulsive teachers, they would just do that, so that the whole Irvine community profited from having this school around. Also, probably more than any other place, Irvine faculty have in the past taken part in the resident fellows program. I was in that one year where we were talking about autobiography, and another year I ran a conference on autobiography, which was printed as the 6th volume of Irvine Studies in the Humanities. That is a book called The Culture of Autobiography. And it was very good for me, but it was also something that was very good for our faculty members.